Default arguments in Python provide a way to specify a default value for a function parameter. This means that if a value is not provided for that parameter when the function is called, the default value is used instead. Syntax: Python def function underscore name parameter 1 equals default underscore value 1 parameter 2 equals default underscore value 2. Hashtag function body. How it works. When you define a function with default arguments, you assign a value to one or more parameters using the equals operator. When the function is called without providing a value for a parameter with a default value, the default value is used. If a value is provided for a parameter with a default value, the provided value overrides the default value. Example: Python def greet name equals world. Print hello name. Hashtag calling the function without an argument. Greet. Hashtag output hello world. Hashtag calling the function with an argument. Greet Alice. Hashtag output hello Alice. Important points. Default arguments must appear after non-default arguments in the function definition. Default arguments are evaluated only once when the function is defined, not each time the function is called. Be cautious when using mutable objects, like lists or dictionaries, as default arguments, as they can lead to unexpected behavior due to their shared reference. Example with multiple default arguments. Python def calculate underscore area, length equals 5, breadth equals 3. Area equals length asterisk breadth. Return area. Print calculate underscore area, hashtag output 15. Print calculate underscore area 10 hashtag output 30. Print calculate underscore area, length equals 8, breadth equals 4. Hashtag output 32. Key benefits of default arguments. Flexibility allows you to call functions with different numbers of arguments. Readability improves code readability by making the function's behavior clear. Efficiency can reduce code duplication by providing common default values. Common use cases. Setting default values for configuration options. Providing optional parameters for functions. Creating flexible helper functions. Mutable default arguments. As mentioned earlier, using mutable objects as default arguments can lead to unexpected behavior. Consider creating a copy of the mutable object within the function to avoid unintended side effects. Order of arguments. Always place non-default arguments before default arguments in the function definition to avoid confusion. By understanding and effectively using default arguments, you can write more robust, flexible, and maintainable Python code.